Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Do you remember our nursery rhyme? Rain, rain, go away. Yes, shall we sing it together?
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Today we'll be learning about rainy day. Children, does it rain every day? No. Rainy season starts from June and it lasts till September. The trees look so fresh and green. Children, have you seen grey color clouds in the sky? Yes, that is the sign it's going to rain. We hear loud sound and lightning crashing in the sky. Yes, the loud sound we hear is the banging of the clouds towards each other and falling down and rain. The loud sound is called thunder.
I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops, I bet true.
I like to sing this nursery rhyme. Tell me something. What would you like to do on a rainy day? Would you like to eat sweet corn on cob? Or some yummy pakoda? Or would you like to jump like this girl in the puddle? Or would you like to sing and dance la 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 la? Or make paper boat and sail them? Oh, so much of fun to do in this season. Hey, look, it's drizzling. And you know, we wear some special clothes in this season. And you know what we wear? We wear a raincoat, gumboots, and we take an umbrella. We also see some special creatures. We see frog, snail, snake, and slug. Kids, we can also see a peacock dancing in the rain. Kids, if we are very lucky, we get to see a colorful rainbow. Is rainbow made of single color? No, rainbow is made of 7 colors. And here is a rainbow song.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow. A beautiful rainbow in the sky. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow. A beautiful rainbow in the sky.
We all know what to do in this rainy season. Are you going to wear your raincoat and step out in the rain to enjoy yourself? And please make paper boat to sail them. Children, are we going to have fun in this rainy season? Yes, yes, yes. Bye.